Welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be making my great-great-great-great-great-great-grandfather's favorite drink, the Manhattan. First, fill your mixing glass with ice. Now for this drink, you can use bourbon or rye. Today we're going to be using rye. Add 2 ounces of rye whiskey. Add 1 ounce of your favorite sweet vermouth. Add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And use a bar spoon to stir until well chilled. Now you can use bourbon or rye for this cocktail. If you like something a little sweeter, I would recommend using bourbon, but we use rye for ours. Now pour into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. And finally garnish with Luxardo cherries. And that's how you make the classic cocktail, the Manhattan. Cheers.